Dawn by Paul Laurence Dunbar. An angel robed in spotless white bent down to kiss the sleepy night. Night woke to blush, the sprite was gone. Men saw the blush and called it dawn. Dawn by Paul Laurence Dunbar. Piping Down the Valley's Wild by William Blake. Piping down the valley's wild, piping songs of pleasant glee. When on a cloud I saw a child, and he laughed and said to me, Piper, pipe a song about a lamb. So I piped with merry cheer. Oh, Piper, pipe that song again. So I piped, he wept to hear. O Piper, drop thy pipe, thy happy pipe, and sing thy song of happy cheer. So I sung the same, with joy he wept to hear. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. Oh, sit thee down and write in a book so all may read. Then he vanished from my sight, and I plucked a hollow reed, and I made a rule pen, and I stained the waters clear, and I wrote my happy songs. Every child may joy to hear. Piping Down the Valley's Wild by William Blake. Sunshine by Rose Flint. If I could hold sunshine, I'd lighten the dark, warm a cold sea, or brighten the park. I'd scare away dragons, make pathways through snow, and if it was raining, I'd make a rainbow. If I could hold sunshine, what will I do? I'd grow a big sunflower and give it to you. Sunshine by Rose Flint. From the forest does the screech owl calls, and only the crickets whistling while the dewdrop falls. falls. So I know not who came a-knocking at all, at all, at all. Someone by Walter Delamar. Table Manners by Gillette Burgess. The Goops, they lick their fingers, and the Goops, they lick their knives. They spill their broth on the tablecloths. Uh-oh, oh, they lead disgusting lives. The Goops, they talk while eating, and loud and fast they chew, and that is why I'm glad that I am not a Goop. Are you? Table Manners by Gillette Burgess. He and She by Christina Rossetti. Should one of us remember and one of us forget, I wish I knew what each will do, but who can tell as yet? Should one of us remember and one of us forget, I promise you what I will do, and I'm content to wait for you and not be sure as yet. He and She by Christina Rossetti. Bring me your dreams, you dreamers. Bring me your heart melody, that I may wrap them in a blue cloud cloth away from the too rough fingers of the world. Bring me your dreams, you dreamers. Bring me your heart melody, that I may wrap them in a blue cloud cloth away from the too rough fingers of the world. Dreamkeeper by Langston Hughes. I may wrap them in a blue cloud cloth away from the too rough fingers of the world. Do